Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. As usual, in this video, I'll be bringing you some beautiful Chinese themes that you can install on your Xiaomi global devices. You can install these themes on your Xiaomi global ROM device without the need for root access. I've provided a link containing the backup files for all these themes. You can find it in the video description. With my backup file, you can easily install these themes on your phone. If you're not sure how to do it, please watch the tutorial video in the description. With the backup and restore method, you can install Chinese themes on Xiaomi global devices permanently. The themes will stay applied and won't revert to default. This method works on devices running HyperOS as well as MIUI 13 or later. Now, before downloading the backup file, let's take a look at the standout features of the themes in today's video. All the themes as well as the always-on display are included in the backup file in the video description. If you don't know how to do it, please watch the tutorial video in the description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.